very good morning, my dear students. We have already started with the chapter Getting to Know Plants, and in the previous class we learnt about the stem, functions of stem and different modifications of stem, right? We also started with the leaf. We learnt about the structure of leaf. Let us recall once more, because the rest of our topic is related to leaf. So let's recall the structure of leaf. So if you remember, the part by which the leaf is connected to stem is called petiole, and we have the thread-like structures, these lines, these are called veins, and the center, that's the main vein, is also called midrib, and the flat portion of the leaf is called lamina or leaf blade, right? Now we are going to come over to the veins. Now you know that this is a design which is there on the leaf, right? Now there are two type of veins. Actually there is an arrangement, and that arrangement of veins in a leaf is called venation. I repeat, arrangement of veins in a leaf is called venation. Now there are two types of venation, right? That is parallel venation and reticulate venation. देखो इसका किस तरीके का स्ट्रक्चर होता है. ये जो वेन्स होती है, जो आप लाइंस देख रहे हो, इट्स लाइक पैरेलल. ये these are parallel to each other. तो इसलिए हम इसको कहते हैं पैरेलल वेनेशन. और ये कहाँ पर होती है? ये फाइब्रस, जो जिन प्लांट्स में फाइब्रस रूट्स होते हैं, वी हैव द पैरेलल वेनेशन, राइट. एंड इफ यू टॉक अबाउट द रेटिकुलेट, इसके इसमें नेट लाइक डिजाइन होता है. यू कैन सी हियर, दिस इज अ नेट लाइक डिजाइन व्हिच इज देयर, राइट. एंड हियर वी हैव रेटिकुलेट वेनेशन, और ये वहां पर होता है जहां पर टैप रूट्स होते हैं. Is that thing clear to you? So this arrangement of veins in a leaf is called as venation. There are two types of venation, that is parallel and reticulate. Parallel कहाँ होते हैं? जहाँ पर fibrous roots होते हैं, और reticulate होते हैं जहाँ पर tap roots होते हैं. यहाँ पर net-like design होता है, and these lines are parallel to each other, right? I hope it's clear to you. Okay, let's come to functions of leaf. जैसे ही function of leaf word आता है, one thing strikes our mind. You know what? Leaf is called food factory of the plant, and it prepares food for the plant. And what is that process called? You're learning this term from your lower classes. Yes, it's called photosynthesis. Photosynthesis में क्या होता है? The leaf prepares food for the plant by using what? By using water, carbon dioxide and sunlight as a source of energy, right? And सबसे important चीज क्या होती है जिसकी presence required होती है, because of which the leaf is green in color? Yes, it's a green pigment which is called as chlorophyll, right? So photosynthesis process के through the leaf prepares food for the plant, and that is in the form of simple glucose. Glucose के form में food prepare होता है, लेकिन जो extra food होता है, that is stored in the form of starch. That is stored in the form of starch, right? And you can test it, by using which solution? Can you recall that? Iodine solution. जब हम iodine solution डालते हैं, the leaf is going to turn blue-black, right? That shows the presence of starch, because it has what? It has what? Starch. Then only it will convert into blue-black, right? Second function is transpiration. Transpiration होता क्या है? Transpiration is the loss of water. Loss of water from the leaves to tiny pores which are called stomata. Stomata के through the leaf loses water, the plant loses water. इसका benefit क्या है? It helps in cooling the plant. कैसे? You know how? When there is loss of water, तो plant क्या करेगा? It will pull the water from the roots. जैसे ही water roots से ऊपर आएगा तो क्या होगा? It will bring nutrients also. It will bring minerals also along with it. And that's how it is. Water and minerals are going to be transported in the whole plant, in the rest part of the plant. ठीक है? And also, it contributes to water cycle. क्योंकि जब water is lost in the atmosphere, it is in the form of water vapor. तो उसकी वजह से moisture आता है and helps in contributing to water cycle also, right? So it's an important function. Next we have modifications of leaf. अब मॉडिफिकेशन में क्या आता है? एक सपोर्ट देती है, क्योंकि कोई जैसे हमारे पास इन सम प्लांट, जैसे पी प्लांट है. पी प्लांट में क्या होता है? जो अपर लीफलेट होती है ना, अपर लीफलेट इज मॉडिफाइड इनटू द फॉर्म ऑफ टेंड्रिल्स. इट इज मॉडिफाइड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ टेंड्रिल्स. और वो जो टेंड्रिल्स जब किसी ऑब्जेक्ट के कांटेक्ट में आती है, वो कर्ल बना लेती हैं, and it gives support. That's why we say that it gives support to the plant, right? Next, now in desert area the leaves are not there, they are modified to form spines के form में. क्यों? To prevent water loss, क्योंकि लीफ ही ऐसी चीज है जिसके थ्रू वाटर लॉस होता है. जब लीफ ही नहीं होगी तो वाटर लॉस नहीं होगा, तो वो स्पाइन्स के फॉर्म में मॉडिफाई हो जाती है. एंड इट ऑल्सो प्रोटेक्ट द प्लांट फ्रॉम ग्रेजिंग एनिमल्स, राइट? सो इट्स अ बेसिक मॉडिफिकेशन टू गिव सपोर्ट एंड टू मॉडिफाई इन द फॉर्म ऑफ स्पाइन्स. और फंक्शंस क्या होते हैं? टू मेक फूड एंड ट्रांसपिरेशन. आई होप इट्स क्लियर टू यू नाउ द बेसिक फंक्शन, right? So for your homework you will be reading page 86 and 87 which is related to this topic. Please, you have to do the two diagrams, that is your structure of leaf and also difference आता है parallel और reticulate venation के अंदर, तो you must know about it, right? That is parallel कहाँ होता है? Fibrous में, और reticulate होता है tap roots में, right? And you have this structure, this you have to do it. I hope the things are clear. Thank you so much.